Today's recipe is dedicated to all those cold coffee lovers who love to have their coffees at the cafes. Today I am going to make cold coffee in cafe style at home. So let's begin. Here I have taken some hot water. I am going to add some instant coffee granules to it. It helps to dissolve the coffee better. Mix it up well. Our coffee decoction is ready. Let's begin by adding some milk to the blender jar. Here's a trick to make the cold coffee nice and thick. I have frozen some milk into cubes. I'm going to throw in some of these. Let's add the coffee mix. Some castor sugar. Loads of ice. To give the coffee a nice creamy texture, I'm going to add a scoop of ice cream. Let's put on the lid and blend it. Add some chocolate sauce to the glass. Time to pour the chilled cold coffee. Top it up with some vanilla ice cream and lastly a generous drizzle of chocolate sauce. So our cafe style cold coffee is ready to be served. Do give this recipe a try and let us know in the comment section how this turned out. Happy summers!